friends. I'm so glad you joined me for the Zoom call this morning. I added an extra video today so that we would get a story, and then I also have a craft/game for you to play, all related to our theme of caterpillars and butterflies. First, it's our story. It's called 10 Wriggly Wiggly Caterpillars. And the person who wrote this book, the author, is Debbie Tarbett. This is a fun counting game. Counting story, sorry. Do you know what number that is? That's number 10. And it says 10 crunching caterpillars in the bright sunshine. Now let's count them to make sure there's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We had 10 caterpillars. One fell asleep. Oh no, one of them fell asleep. So now we only have, do you know what number that is? Did you guess 9? 9 speedy caterpillars thought they might be late. Let's count and make sure there's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. One was too slow. Oh no, we had 9 and then one was too slow. So now that left 8. 8 munching caterpillars all in crunching heaven. Let's count them to make sure there's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One got a tummy ache. They were all in crunching heaven. One got a tummy ache, so that left, how many are left now? 7. 7 clever caterpillars creeping through some sticks. One got stuck. Uh-oh. One got stuck, so now there are only 6. I didn't count the 7. Do you want to count the 6? Should we count them and make sure that there's 6? Now, if you notice, Mary touches each one with her finger as I say the number. So when we're counting objects or creatures, insects, animals, anytime you're counting anything, it's always good to use your finger. And you say the number as you touch it. So let's count and see if we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 singing caterpillars glad to be alive. One stayed back to sing. So that left 5. Good for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 brave caterpillars going to explore. One got lost. So that left. Do you know that number? That's an important number for you folks, right? Everybody who has a birthday is turning 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 daring caterpillars inching up a tree. One fell off, so that left only 3. Good job. 1, 2, 3. 3 cool caterpillars splashing in the dew. One got soaked. So now that left only 2. Did you guess it before I turned the page? You're so smart. 2 happy caterpillars having so much fun. 1, 2. One got tired. So that left 1. 1 sad caterpillar all on his own. When all of a sudden, there were 10 bright, beautiful butterflies spreading their wings and flitting through the sky. So those very busy caterpillars, what did they become at the end? Butterflies. I thought it would be fun to do a craft that we could also turn into a game. So this is what you're going to need. A toilet paper roll. Mary just uses these for all kinds of things, right? Now, you can paint the toilet paper roll, you can color the toilet paper roll, you can decorate it any way you want. This is going to be a caterpillar. So you figure out what color you want your caterpillar to be. Or you could do this. You're going to need a grown-up's help for this. A piece of construction paper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll the construction paper around my toilet paper roll. And I'm going to take some tape. And I'm going to tape it on. I'm doing that because if I painted it, it would be wet and then I wouldn't be able to show you what else to do. Now, you also need a little piece of pipe cleaner. I had one long one and I snipped off a piece that was maybe 2 or 3 inches long. If you're grown-ups now, see, since I'm a teacher, I have these kinds of things. This is a hole puncher. Not everybody has hole punchers, so a grown-up has to do this, not you. They could take a scissor, and we need to punch 2 holes into the toilet paper roll. So let's do that. 1 and 2. We're going to do it close together. So you could use any pointy object. It could be a pointy pen. It could be a pointy screwdriver. I had a hole punch. So then I'm going to take my pipe cleaner. I'm going to put it through the hole. What do you think that might look like on the top of the caterpillar? Does that look like his little antenna? I'm even going to curl it here at the top like that. Okay? Now, I'm going to be putting pom-poms inside this, so I don't want the pom-poms because toilet paper rolls have a hole going all the way through. So I'm going to take a circle of construction paper. Your grown-up can help you figure out what you want to use. And I'm going to tape that to the bottom. So let me take my piece of tape. And I'm going to tape it to the bottom. I need 2 pieces of tape. All right, so here's my caterpillar. And like I said, yours is going to look much more beautiful because you'll decorate it or color it or put designs. You could even put eyes and a little smiley face, whatever you want to do. Okay, the next thing is we need a die. Now, in school, Mary has all kinds of die. I have a die that has numbers just 1, 2, 3. I have a die that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a die that has dots instead of numbers, so you have to count the dots. Usually what I do is I put out whatever die I think the children will find the easiest to use at first, and then we move up from there. So, grown-ups, you know your child the best, and you know what numbers they know and what they might need to work on. So I'm just going to start with 1, 2, 3 because that's usually the beginning level, and then you can raise it up depending on your own child. So at the beginning, I should have told you that you also need pom-poms. If you don't have pom-poms, you could use cotton balls, or you can crunch up little pieces of paper. Anything that's small that you can pick up either with, these are ice tongs. You can use them to pick up the pom-poms, or to get a little smaller movement, you're going to use, these are tweezers, and you pick up a pom-pom. So to play this game, you roll the die, and you look to see what number is on top. What number is that, my friends? Oh, did you guess number 3? Good job. So then I'm going to feed my caterpillar 3 pom-poms. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. And if you're playing this game with somebody, your brother or sister or a grown-up, then it becomes their turn. Because remember, taking turns is an important skill to learn. So then they take their turn. They're going to roll the die. What number is on top there? 2. So they're going to take either their tweezers or their tongs, and they're going to put in 2 pom-poms. 1, 2. Let's try it just one more time. Roll the die. Ooh, there's not a number on this one. There's just a dot. How many dots are on that side of the die? One dot. So now I'll take the poms this time. And take one pom-pom and feed it to the caterpillar. Now if you notice, it's starting to get filled. So the game is finished when your caterpillar is filled up to the top with pom-poms or cotton balls or crunched up pieces of paper, whatever you find to put inside. And that's your very hungry caterpillar game. It helps with counting, it helps with fine motor, strengthening your fingers, and it's just fun to play a game with somebody that you love. I hope you enjoyed the game. I hope you liked the story, and I will see you next week in a video. Have a wonderful weekend, my friends. Be well.